When installing a hardwired Wiremold outlet strip underneath kitchen cabinets, it's critical to consider several factors beyond just ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, protection. Firstly, accessibility is paramount. The outlet strip must be easily accessible for resetting circuit breakers or replacing fuses. This means it shouldn't be hidden behind fixed appliances or located in other hard-to-reach areas. Ease of access ensures quick maintenance and troubleshooting when needed. Secondly, maintaining a safe clearance from combustible materials is essential. The outlet strip should be installed at least 3 inches away from any combustible materials, such as wood, paper, or plastic. This precaution prevents the outlet strip from overheating and potentially starting a fire. Adequate spacing reduces the risk of thermal hazards. Thirdly, proper support is needed to prevent the outlet strip from sagging or falling. Secure the strip using screws or other appropriate fasteners to attach it firmly to the cabinet or wall. A well-supported installation maintains the integrity of the electrical connections and prevents mechanical stress on the wiring. Fourthly, compliance with all applicable electrical codes is mandatory. This involves using the correct wire size and type, ensuring the outlet strip is connected to a properly grounded circuit. Adhering to the National Electrical Code, or NEC, and local codes ensures a safe and legal installation. Some additional details to consider concerning these points are: firstly, regarding accessibility, think about future maintenance when choosing the mounting location. Can someone easily reach the breaker or fuse without having to move appliances or contort themselves into awkward positions? Good accessibility saves time and frustration during maintenance. Secondly, when assessing clearance from combustibles, consider the materials directly above and around the outlet strip. Are there any flammable liquids or gases stored nearby? Ensure adequate ventilation to prevent heat buildup. Thirdly, when selecting support hardware, choose screws or fasteners that are appropriate for the cabinet or wall material. Use anchors if necessary to provide a secure hold. Check the manufacturer's instructions for recommended mounting methods. Fourthly, electrical code compliance requires a thorough understanding of the applicable regulations. Consult the NEC or a qualified electrician to ensure your installation meets all requirements. This includes conductor sizing, overcurrent protection, and grounding. It's always a good idea to consult the NEC for specific requirements, but here are some general guidelines. Ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, protection is typically required for all 120 volts, 15 amps or 20 amps receptacles installed in kitchens. This is to protect against electric shock hazards. The wire size should be appropriate for the ampacity of the circuit. Use table 310.16 in the NEC to determine the correct wire size based on the ampacity and the type of insulation. The circuit breaker should be sized to protect the wiring and the outlet strip. Don't use a breaker that is too large, as this could overload the wiring and create a fire hazard. The outlet strip should be properly grounded to provide a path for fault current. Connect the grounding conductor to the grounding terminal in the outlet strip and to the grounding electrode system. The outlet strip should be installed in a dry location. Avoid installing it in areas where it could be exposed to moisture or water. Use appropriately rated electrical boxes and fittings to ensure a secure and weatherproof connection. These boxes and fittings protect the wiring from damage and prevent moisture from entering the electrical system. Conductors must be protected from physical damage. Route the wiring in a way that prevents it from being damaged by sharp objects or heavy equipment. Use conduit or other protective measures if necessary. All connections must be made inside approved electrical boxes. Never leave exposed wiring connections. Ensure that all connections are tight and secure. Loose connections can cause arcing and overheating, which can lead to fires. Use appropriately rated connectors for the wire size and type. Avoid using undersized connectors, as this can create a fire hazard. Label all circuits and panels clearly. This helps to identify circuits quickly and easily during maintenance or troubleshooting. Clearly labeled circuits prevent accidental disconnection of critical equipment. Before starting any electrical work, always disconnect the power to the circuit. Use a voltage tester to verify that the circuit is energized before touching any wires. Test the ground fault circuit interrupter or GFCI outlets regularly to ensure they are working properly. Press the test button on the outlet. The outlet should trip and cut off power. Reset the outlet by pressing the reset button. If the ground fault circuit interrupter or GFCI outlet does not trip when you press the test button, it needs to be replaced. Have a qualified electrician perform the replacement. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, hire a qualified electrician to install the Wiremold outlet strip. Electricity can be dangerous, and it is important to take precautions to avoid electric shock. Furthermore, it's also beneficial to consider the aesthetic aspects of the installation. Choose a Wiremold outlet strip that complements the kitchen decor and is discreetly concealed under the cabinet. Aesthetically pleasing installations enhance the overall look and feel of the kitchen. Also consider the load requirements of the appliances that will be plugged into the outlet strip. Ensure the strip has sufficient capacity to handle the total load without overloading. Overloading can cause the circuit breaker to trip or, in severe cases, start a fire. Consider the placement of the outlet strip relative to the sink and other water sources. Maintain a safe distance to prevent water from splashing onto the electrical components. Water and electricity can be a dangerous combination. Install the outlet strip at a height that is convenient to access. Avoid installing it too high or too low, as this can make it difficult to plug in appliances. A comfortable height improves usability and reduces strain. Use wire connectors that are listed for use with the type of wire you are using. This ensures a safe and reliable connection. Incorrect connectors can lead to loose connections and overheating. When running the wiring, avoid creating sharp bends or kinks. This can damage the insulation and reduce the ampacity of the wire. Smooth, gentle curves are best. Use strain relief fittings where the wiring enters the electrical box. This prevents the wiring from being pulled out of the box. Strain relief fittings protect the connections from mechanical stress. Inspect the installation regularly for any signs of damage or wear. Replace any damaged components immediately. Regular inspections help to identify and correct problems before they become serious. Keep the area around the outlet strip clean and free of clutter. This helps to prevent accidental damage and ensures good ventilation. A clean workspace promotes safety and efficiency. Document the installation with photographs or drawings. This can be helpful for future maintenance or troubleshooting. Documentation provides a record of the installation and can be useful for future reference. Consult with a qualified electrician if you have any questions or concerns about the installation. A qualified electrician can provide expert advice and ensure the installation is done safely and correctly. Professional guidance ensures a safe and compliant installation. Remember, electrical work can be dangerous if not done properly. Always take precautions to avoid electric shock. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, hire a qualified electrician. Safety is paramount when working with electrical systems. Always prioritize safety and follow all applicable codes and regulations. By considering these additional factors and following all applicable codes and regulations, you can ensure safe and compliant installation of a hardwired Wiremold outlet strip underneath kitchen cabinets. Safe and compliant installations protect against electrical hazards and ensure the long-term reliability of the electrical system. Always prioritize safety and seek professional guidance when needed. A well-planned and executed installation provides a safe and convenient power source for kitchen appliances. Consider the long-term implications of the installation and plan accordingly. A properly installed Wiremold outlet strip can provide years of reliable service. Regularly inspect the installation to ensure it remains safe and compliant. Preventative maintenance helps to identify and correct problems before they become serious. Seek professional assistance when needed to ensure the continued safety and reliability of the electrical system. Consulting with a qualified electrician can help to identify and address any potential problems. Remember, safety is always the top priority when working with electrical systems. Take the necessary precautions to protect yourself and others from electric shock. Always disconnect the power before working on any electrical circuits. Use insulated tools and wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Follow all applicable codes and regulations to ensure a safe and compliant installation. By following these guidelines, you can ensure a safe and reliable installation of a hardwired wire mold outlet strip underneath kitchen cabinets.